Here is a video tutorial on how to install OEM Style 2K dash cam from Mercylion on Mercedes-Benz C-Class W204 in 11 easy steps. Go to link from the video description to get $20 off your first OEM Style dash cam order using the coupon code TutorialAuto. This is the box from the Mercylion dash cam. Inside we have an user or instruction manual where you can find the steps to install your dash cam. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel, TutorialAuto. Here is AS015 fuse box power cable that we don't need it because the car has a rain sensor. This is a rain sensor plug-and-play power cable that you have to connect it to the rain sensor of your car. In this bag is a pry tool, a 64GB memory card and 2 cable organizer clips. This is the 64GB memory card. Here is the video camera cover that is similar with the OEM mirror cover from the Mercedes-Benz C-Class. We will insert the memory card in the slot. There is a cover on the camera lens that you will need to remove it. Those are the cables, but you will use only the black one. On the video camera cover you can find 3 buttons: reset button, start/stop video camera button and photo button. Mercedes-Benz C-Class dash cam has plug and play. Mercylion dash cam has brand new methods for power from rainfall sensor with hidden wiring and easy installation with the method of plug to plug. No need to remove a pillar and connect the car fuse box and the cigarette lighter. OEM design, the OEM Style dash cam with a 1-to-1 restoration of the original rearview mirror back cover shape design, which will not block the driving line of sight. 2K UHD video can ensure exceptional video quality at 2160p per 30 frame per second, plus with WDR technology, you can read license plates and road signs clearly in low or high light environment. With built-in Wi-Fi, using phone app to connect the Wi-Fi of Mercylion dash cam for downloading videos and sharing them to your social media. Downloading videos is no need for mobile data traffic. Support in Android and iOS. G-sensor can automatically detect sudden collisions during driving and immediately save the relevant videos to the file to prevent overwriting, thereby protecting your video evidence. Loop recording, auto-overwrite the oldest videos with the newest when card reaches capacity. When the car starts, the driving recorder will automatically turn on. When the car is locked, the driving recorder will automatically turn off. Wide angle, real angle of view is 143 degrees. Go to link in the video description to browse from a collection of dashcams, specifically made for different vehicle brands, including dashcams from Mercedes-Benz, BMW, Audi, Porsche, Volkswagen, Land Rover, Cadillac, Maserati, Toyota, Lexus, Tesla, Volvo, Honda, Jeep, Ford, Lincoln, Buick, Infiniti, and more. One, remove that plastic part from the rear mirror using the pry tool. Two, remove the rear mirror cover, pulling it down carefully. Three, connect the black cable from the video camera to the black cable from the package. Four, disconnect the cables from the rain sensor. 5. Connect the cables from the video camera to the rain sensor. The white harness will be inserted in the rain sensor, and then the rain sensor cable from the car will be inserted in that black harness. 6. And connect the original cable from the car to the other cable of the camera. Seven. Hide the cable inside the black mirror cover and then install it back. Eight. Put that plastic part back. Don't forget to remove that cover from the camera lens. You should clean the inside and outside windshield area to have a good visibility for your camera. 9. Download the Mercylion app from the Google Play Store for Android or App Store for iPhone. Open the Mercylion app. You have to register on the Mercylion app first. You have to write the email first and then click on the send code to receive the PIN code on your email. You will receive the email after a few minutes. Unfortunately, email will be in Chinese characters, but you will notice the PIN code numbers clearly. Put that PIN code in the register page and then finish the registration. This is how the email looks like with the PIN code. For example, our PIN code is 7025. 11. Go to Wi-Fi from your phone and select VT5004_F0C8141FD1CA or something similar to connect your phone to video camera. After the Wi-Fi is connected, you can open the Mercylion app and use it. You can see the registered videos, the pictures. Here are the video camera settings. You can change the camera resolution. Here you can select the language. We forgot to clean the windshield and the image it's not so clear, but you can see that camera has a good resolution. You can identify the number plates from the other cars, the road signs. Also, we have made a video at night time, and also you can see the number plates from the other cars and the road signs. Go to link in the video description to get $20 off your dashcam order using the coupon code TutorialAuto. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe our YouTube channel, TutorialAuto.